For remove the DB killer on Agostini silencer, first you need a special pliers like this. On the back of the silencer you have this scissor. Okay. Use the pliers on the back and you go to remove the scissor. Okay. When the scissor is removed, you just take off by hand the DB killer. Okay. And this one is removed. When you have to insert again, just put inside the DB killer, put the scissor back, and this finished.